Hello, in front of me I've got Assassin's Creed Mirage. In this video I'll show you how to manage sound settings. In the beginning, let's go to options and now enter sound. Right here you can change voice language, adjust master, volume, music volume, sounds effects volume, enable or disable dialog boost, audio dynamic range, music frequency, and enable or disable collision sound. Then you can enable or disable subtitles, change subtitle language, subtitle size, enable or disable background subtitle, subtitle speaker name, and close captions. In the end, you can adjust menu narration. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.